Filmora versus Photoshop. Which Adobe tool is better? Choosing the right video or photo editing software can transform your creative workflow without overwhelming complexity. Filmora offers user-friendly video editing, while Photoshop excels in advanced photo manipulation. Filmora and Photoshop serve different creative needs. Filmora focuses on accessible video editing with intuitive tools, whereas Photoshop specializes in professional-grade photo editing and graphic design. The core difference lies in video versus image editing capabilities. Filmora is a video editing software designed for creators seeking a straightforward yet powerful editing experience. It works by providing a drag-and-drop interface with a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and templates to streamline video production. Its strengths include ease of use, fast learning curve, and comprehensive tools for trimming, layering, and color correction. Filmora supports exporting in multiple formats optimized for social media or professional projects. However, it has limitations in advanced video effects and lacks the depth of professional color grading or motion graphics found in higher-end editors. Ideal users are beginners to intermediate video creators, social media influencers, and small business marketers who want to produce polished videos quickly without steep technical demands. Filmora balances functionality and simplicity, making it accessible for those new to video editing while still offering enough features for more detailed projects. According to Wondershare, Filmora continuously updates with AI-powered tools to enhance editing efficiency and creativity. Photoshop is Adobe's flagship photo editing and graphic design software, renowned for its extensive capabilities in image manipulation. It operates with a layered editing system allowing precise control over every pixel, color, and effect. Photoshop's strengths include advanced retouching, compositing, digital painting, and support for a wide range of file formats including raw images. It integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, enhancing workflows for professionals. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and a focus on still images rather than video editing, although it offers basic video timeline features. Photoshop is ideal for photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists who require detailed control over images and creative flexibility. It excels in tasks like photo restoration, complex selections, and creating detailed graphics. Adobe regularly updates Photoshop with AI-driven features like neural filters and content-aware tools, improving productivity and creative possibilities. While not designed for video editing, Photoshop remains the industry standard for image editing, making it indispensable for visual professionals. Filmora and Photoshop serve distinct creative purposes. Filmora is tailored for video creators needing quick, user-friendly editing with built-in effects and export options, ideal for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Its trade-off is less advanced video effects compared to professional video editors. Photoshop, on the other hand, is unmatched for photo editing and graphic design, offering granular control and powerful tools for image manipulation, but lacks comprehensive video editing features. In real-world use, choose Filmora if your focus is producing videos efficiently without deep technical skills. Opt for Photoshop if your work demands detailed photo editing, compositing, or graphic design. Both tools complement rather than replace each other, fitting different workflows. Consider your primary medium video or images and skill level when deciding. Filmora is recommended for creators prioritizing easy, fast video editing with solid features and minimal learning curve, perfect for social media and casual projects. Photoshop is the choice for professionals needing advanced photo editing and graphic design capabilities with unmatched precision. For those focused on image manipulation and creative flexibility, Photoshop remains the industry leader. Choose based on your creative focus and skill level for the best results.